Hello there. If you've been following the channel for any amount of time, you know if I make an excessively short video, there's a good chance I may or may not have had a hiccup when creating a finale for a series. So, that being said, I had a hiccup concerning a finale of Hyper Light Drifter. I'm gonna try to get it fixed. It's probably gonna take a little while, so for now, to get your weekly upload, here's a short. uh, yeah. I do apologize about this. But at the bright side,